Wrapunzel community. Hope you guys had a wonderful weekend, Shabbat, and a relaxing Sunday evening. I would like to say, first of all, thank you from the top of my heart with all the love, for the love that you show me for my Nigerian Gele attempt using Wrapunzel scarves. Now, Nigerian Geles are typically done with stiff cotton fabric, so the pleats can rest on top of each other and give you that seriously beautiful crown. All right, so since we're using some soft, delicate, beautiful scarves, we have to, what's the word? Improvise. Yes, that's a big word for Sunday. Improvise. So in my improvisation, I am using 3 scarves. This is the t-shirt scarf. And all these are used for volume. And what I did was I wrapped the t-shirt scarf strips or ends towards the back of my head to give me some volume back there. Okay. All right. We're going to tuck that away. And now we're going to get the LSB. Now, typical Geles, I've never seen one with a tail, but in Diahnne's world, everything has a tail. Every wrap, or almost all my wraps have a tail. All right, so 1 short, 1 long. All right, fold this over because all you want is about 5 pleats, 5 to 6 pleats in the front. So you don't need a whole lot of cloth, but you don't want to fold it over too much and make it too short. So just eyeball to about that much of your scarf. 1 short, 1 long, and on it goes. Very good. Here we are. Now we're going to pleat away. Typically you will pull from back here and fold over to create a pleat. That will take up too much fabric and you wouldn't have enough to make 5 or 6 pleats. So we're going to start right at the crown of our head and pick up and fold. And like I said, Gele wraps, the pleats are on top of each other. In my instance, I am going to try and make it like a cascading effect up. Okay, so we've got 2 pleats so far. All right, here are your 2 pleats. We're going to do some more. We can always fix these as we go or after we're finished. So that's 2, 3, and 4. Tiny pleats. 4, fix your pleats as you go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 more. Make 5, and I want the tip to be right at the very top of my head. So I'm going to do like 6 pleats. Let's pull this further forward. See, now it's just right at the very top of my head. Now, fix your pleats. Gather your pleats with your fingers. Oh, there we go. Come on. Gather your pleats. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, number 5, you have to kind of play with these pleats so that they show appropriately. So let's start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pleats. All right. And you have your pleats and tie. We will fix these pleats in a little bit. Tie, and there you have your tail. Now let's fix our pleats. Okay, so make sure you can adjust your pleats. Number 1, you want definition with your pleats. You don't want them to be all jumbled up together. So fix your pleats in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, and there you have 6 pleats. Kind of pull a little bit. Perfect. All right, next up is take your excess and wrap it around. Just grab it, wrap it on the top, bring it around. All of this is to create some volume for you. As you can see, it's coming all the way up. So as I'm tucking it away, it's going to give me a little more height. Okay? And there you have it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The next scarf starts about right here, which is a tapestry. So let's get to it. Equal ends, and you're going to lay the entire fabric on your head. We're not going to fold it as normal. We're going to lay the entire fabric on our head, even ends. So put it on, bring it forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so we stop right here, just like that. As you can see, I'm going to turn around. From here, I can probably be a nun. I think so. So let's begin. Same thing. We're just going to continue to do the pleats, one on top of the other, creating height. Okay? Cool beans. So grab one tiny pleats. Going to adjust this one a little bit because I would love to see the embroidery end. The embroidery at the end of this scarf. I love this embroidery. So I'm not going to fold this one over as much. There we go. All right, continue. So we've got 2, and just like play with it, straighten it out so you have access to your pleats. 3. Keep doing that until you finish all of the fabric. 4. All right, 4, 5, and here's the end. I'm going to bring this over on top because I love the border on this scarf. Love, love, love this border. And here I pretty much have a gele, except for I'm going to tuck away these ends. So just like we did with the LSB, let's find our ends. Find our pleats. 1, 2, find all your pleats. 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm assuming that's all of them. And you're going to take it and tie it and go around loosely. You don't want to pull it down to it so it's snug. You want a loose effect. And come around. And as you come around, you're going to tuck this under your LSB that you have under. So I'm going to turn around, okay? Oh, it's giving me a little headache right now. Ah, there we go. Here we go. And I did that loosely because I want to be able to play with my ends when I'm done. So let's fix our pleats, one on top of the other. Perfectly like that. There you go. See? And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Find your pleats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. 5. Find your pleats. 5, 6, and the tail. You're going to do the same thing on this end. And you're going to go around and tuck. All that tucking is giving me height. Okay? You're going to go around and tuck. Kind of do it to the back. Kind of bring it up and tuck. Tuck away, tuck away, tuck away, tuck away, tuck away. And kind of tuck it under as you go around. When I turn around, you're going to see this big bowl on my head. It looks like a big bowl. All right. And there you have it. Now just play with your folds, your pleats. Just play with them until you get them exactly where you want them to. As you can see, I am somewhat of a neat freak, which is not always good in wrapping. Sometimes you have to just let things be. And just keep playing around. And there you have it. My sisters, my little version of the Gele. I'm going to turn around now so you can see the back. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed. Much love. Thank you so much for your support. You guys have a great rest of your week. I think that's what that meant. Yeah, a great rest of your week. And as always, awesome sauce. Bye.